Welcome to a new vlog. Today is Wednesday. In the previous clips, I am making cookies again. I love making cookies. We recently went to the store and we got a different kind of chocolate. It's like chocolate toffee, I think, or chocolate hazelnut. I'm going to add this new chocolate into the recipe. I just brown the butter, and the butter has to cool before I make the dough for the cookies. I also want to start and probably not finish, but I need to finish soon, the artwork for our theme this month, which is Mother. I will post something here about it. It's inspired by kind of like warm, springy, earthy vibes. I was going for like Mother Earth. So that is the vibe that we are going for this month. I am doing bookmarks. I'm excited about that. So yeah, I want to work on the artwork for those bookmarks. I want to pack the giveaway winners. I have orders to do. Yeah, just a chill day. I'll be back. Hey y'all, so I am back. So what I want to do, I love this idea of, let's see how big can I make it? This idea of like the seashell as a flower, like the shell as a flower. I think that's lovely. So I kind of want to draw a seashell. I think this is like a really cute seashell. So I want to draw that and then put them in the shape of a flower. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to make a square around this, bring it up front, and then make a clipping mask so that I can just see the seashell on its own. So the shape of the shell is kind of oblong. So like it's kind of like irregular. It's not a perfect circle. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna kind of make like a little blob, a little like half circle blob that's similar to the image. Then this side has kind of like a curly edge to it. Not a curly, like a lumpy edge. So I'm going to create some lumps. Okay, so this is what we have. It's not perfect, but maybe I'll go in and make them a little smaller. Okay, let's see what that looks like. That's green. So let's go here. Let's do, that shade's hard to see. We'll do this shade for now. So now I'm just gonna clean this up a little. I'm just gonna keep editing it until I like how it looks. Okay, so now in my head what I'm thinking is I'm gonna duplicate the layer. I'm gonna reflect it this way, and I'm gonna reflect it the other way. So it'll be kind of like a perfect match. So it's kind of giving how the seashell has these like little edges that come together. So I think I'm gonna edit this one a little bit so that they don't touch as much right here. Kind of like that, just for like design purposes. I think it'll be good to have a little more space in between. So the back, I think I'm gonna do it black. So I think I'll just make kind of like a black shape behind our seashell, just to give it like the shadow, like that. Okay, and then I think I kind of want to make it a little more bottom heavy on this side, and maybe bring it in a little. Like that. Okay, so this is our seashell. Looks a little weird, but I think it'll come together once it's all together. Okay, so for our flower, let's do one like this. We'll duplicate it and give it a little rotation. Something like that. So it'll look something like this. Okay, so in the reference photo of the flower seashells, there is like black dots. So I'm thinking I can just do black dots and see how that looks. Something like that. Okay, I think that's kind of cute. Okay, so I think this is what I've settled on. Book lover is growing on me. I might change the wording, but I think this is cute. So this will be bookmark 1. I love it. It's like fun, springy, earthy. Big dumpling. So far, I give it a C. Hey friends, I am back. It is a new day. I'm gonna pack those giveaway winners journals. I'm gonna do some orders. Oh, I'm gonna finish baking the cookies. I let the butter sit out longer than normal, so the dough has a different texture. So we'll see how that works out. I feel like it's a little bit of a drier dough because the butter was hardened. So we'll see how those bake. So yeah, I will be back. So I'm not sure of this background. Like we went from having no background to like a bunch of things going on. So this is like a work in progress, my office desk space, since this is a new apartment. So we're just going with the flow. We're seeing what works. We're seeing what does it. And for now, I guess I'm gonna stay here. I don't know how I feel about it. It's not my favorite. Something about this, I don't know. been a minute since I've like checked in with the camera, but I did just record a video for my Patreon for the new bookmarks from my Patreon this month. Here they are. They're so cute. Love them so much. So today I want to pack all of these for my Patreon members. I also want to do a recipe from one of my books for tortillas because I really want tacos, but I can't eat tortillas that are like processed and store-bought because they always have a bunch of shit in them. So I want to make them fresh, and I have a recipe in one of my books to do that. So I want to make tacos. I want to pack these bookmarks, do a couple orders. I'll be back. So I was just finalizing how I'm gonna ship these Magic Mail bookmarks to my Patreon members, and I think I decided I'm just gonna do like this really cute butterfly in the front of the package. The butterfly as like this sticker, the opener sticker. I think that's super cute. I was gonna put thank you, but then I was like, no, I think just a chill butterfly. So I'm gonna print those out now. So I have them all laid out in Cricut, and I'm gonna print them, and it's gonna be so cute. Okay, very cute, very cute. This whisk is not working for me. Here's our little dough ball. How cute. Okay, so I just rolled the dough. It says to cover with a damp towel. So I think that's how you do it. I'm really not too sure, but I just made the dough, and I am currently making this recipe from Joshua Weissman for flour tortillas. So this has to chill for 30 minutes. Also, side note, if you like granola, this granola right here, this one is the best looking one. It was the last one I did when I got the hang of it. It's perfect. This is how it turned